Hi, I'm Mike Kiely. I'm with Denison Yachting. Today we're going to see another great boat. It's a Beneteau 423. Her name is Turtle Chaser. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I want to tell you all about her history. We're going to start today's tour from the top of the mast and work our way down. She's very much intercoastal friendly with a mast height of 60 feet, including the VHF antenna. Her mast was stepped in December of 2019, and all of her standing rigging was inspected by Max Sails. As you can see, spreader by spreader, that all appears to be in fantastic shape. Her sail plan was replaced with new UK sails in 2016 and now has an increased 140% Gennaker. Recently, she was fitted with a new Dodger Bimini with full screen enclosure. On top, 200 watts of solar panels were carefully designed and installed last year. Let's step on board. Here in the cockpit, the first thing you'll notice is a 42-inch folding steering wheel for easy access and maneuverability. The outboard engine is neatly stored and can be easily lifted into place with the removable Garhauer winch. All the hatches have a tasteful film to reduce light with an easy outboard view. The portside cabin top winch is electric. All the running rigging was replaced in 2020. The starboard side lazarette is very large and also houses the Onan 6kW generator. Her cockpit cushions were replaced at the same time as the Bimini, so they match perfectly. Let's move to the foredeck. Turtle Chaser has a brand new 2021 10-foot high-field aluminum bottom dinghy with a 20 horsepower Mercury outboard and electric start. Her ground tackle includes a 65-pound Mantis anchor with 200 feet of chain. Let's head down below. Here we find classic mahogany interior and newly upholstered interior cushions. Let's head aft to one of the two cabins. The aft cabin shares access to the day head. Moving into the galley, we find a refrigerator and a large top-load freezer. Neatly stacked is a microwave oven and a Force 10 gas stovetop with oven. Moving forward is a beautiful settee. Let's take another look at the day head from a different angle. The forward-facing nav table is very well organized. Below is a Master Volt 2000 watt charger inverter that was installed last year. Above is a VSM vessel monitor, solar controller, Sony AM/FM CD player, Onan generator controls, and an Icon VHF radio. Let's move forward to the master cabin. All the mattresses on board are new and neatly covered in Sombrella fabric. There are tons of storage and lockers here with lots of natural light. Her ensuite head has a separate shower and great ventilation. Moving back into the salon, I stopped to check the bilges and found them immaculate. The engine compartment consists of a Volvo D2 55 horsepower engine with only 615 hours, as well as two new 4D AGM batteries and a battery charger. There's access on either side of the engine. On this side, we see a clean engine and shiny motor mounts. Lastly, the port settee is very comfortable and a great place to curl up with a book on a rainy day. Turtle Chaser's original owner took delivery of her on Lake Michigan, where they loved her until the current owners shipped her here to Florida, where she had a full epoxy bottom, as well as a fresh bottom paint job, prop speed, all on her folding prop. She was launched in January of 2020 in Florida, where it's clear that the evidence of pride of ownership of an experienced owner has made her a rare opportunity in today's market. Well, that wraps up today's walkthrough. I want to thank you for your time. If you like what you see, subscribe and like this channel. And until we see you next time, have a great day.